Yes. Tomorrow is the big day. Eh. After almost 2 years, they should have been off since the first year, but because I've been traveling to Jamaica back and forth so often, there was a delay. So I will take them out tomorrow and put in the retainers. You know what I say? Yeah. So let's go. Just finished my workout at the gym. Gonna go home, shower, get something to eat, brush my teeth, and then get the braces off.
This is manpower.
Alright, so what do you want? See, last day I go change them right now, so forward no man. Get them out. Nah, I lie to you. I'm gonna miss them. What? I'm doing man. Yeah, I miss the braces them, but nothing a last favor though. Yeah. And I'm mad. Man, gotta miss these. You see me? I miss them, man, but same thing go. Changes though. Today I did day. Go inside and see what go on. Me 2 minutes late. 2 minutes late. So we'll log back in. How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good.
For Adrian?
Yes, please.
Okay. Can you have your COVID screening there?
Alright. Go miss them, but today the day, take them off so we can get the retainers and thing. Orthodontist so we can't keep them. Sucks, right? Flashback. Almost 8 a.m. mall is closed and everything, so today is my orthodontist appointment. Remember I made a video a few time back and said I was gonna try and get some braces, so this is it. Hopefully I can find the dentist's office. FYI, doctor. That's not it. I don't know, I'm gonna get glasses pretty soon, but today I'm a dentist appointment. My orthodontist appointment. So let's see if we can find that. So this is phase 1 of getting it done, and I'll try to show the process as best as possible. Yeah, this is what my teeth look like right now. That's what they will look like when I'm going to get them sorted out. Yeah.
Not very nice out there, right?
2 hours later.
We got braced. You see me, so big up Davis orthodontist. They did a phenomenal job on my face. But before I show you guys, I want to show Alyssa and get Jamir's reaction. You see it? From America, your reaction, you know.
It looks good.
Yeah.
It looks different.
Why you with Jamir as the later and he come here?
Dad, what's in your mouth?
Yeah, you know braces.
Braces, yeah. But he's gonna be like, let me
Move
see
the camera
your
for your
again.
face, my friend.
Sorry, I'm just trying to see. It looks good.
Yeah, big up yourself.
What do they say?
Braces?
They're fake. I can just take them off.
Okay, they're not fake. I don't think so. They're braces. They don't really fake.
Oh, you alright?
You have braces?
Mine up, myself.
Is there braces?
Yeah.
What are braces for? To keep your teeth straight? Your teeth do not look straight.
And get out the gap. That's how I find it. Don't disrespect me.
Doesn't look straight at all.
I know it's not straight right now, but it's gonna get straight. So I have it in to get the gap out.
And that's you take it out when it's straight enough.
Yeah. Good it.
He put his
Saying that
He put his hands in your mouth.
No saying that do that.
He wants to see how they feel. I knew it. Yeah, that's true.
Your hand clean?
Yeah, you just washed them.
But they just feel tough.
Hey.
Not too hard because they're tender. Daddy.
I'm trying to make your teeth broke out.
Yes, we'll get braces fixed, so stay there. I get braces when I
If he needs it.
12, if I need it. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need it. I'm not walking around for space now more. But say it.
He still has plenty more adult teeth.
30 teeth. Let's come on. Tap your foolish now. You can't see him. Get this. Come on, youth.
This is good for Halloween.
What do you mean?
Okay, look ugly like Halloween. Dope man, you're handsome boy. So yeah, you might go private money, bro. Probably
We
not.
don't know yet.
Probably not.
That's how my teeth look, and my teeth are almost perfect.
Stop.
just-
Yeah, I had to
well-
Yeah, but that is Jamir's reaction. He know what I'm having on my mouth. Which color them be? Tell me what
Jari's-
color me.
The color means
What color is those?
green. A Jamaican color?
Why do you think they're Jamaican colors?
I mean, guys, Jamaica has green and black.
But where's the yellow?
Oh. I'll say yellow.
Yes.
Is your teeth yellow?
Yeah. So my teeth has the yellow, and then the braces are green and black.
Oh, your teeth do look yellow.
You're not supposed to agree. My teeth are white like a piece of chalk. My first time eating with braces.
So what are you eating? You're having some porridge.
It look nasty, but don't watch it. I'm a leftover. I'm never finish this morning. Blueberry and oatmeal.
And then you got a nice garlic
toast, egg, and hamburger with cheese tonight.
That looks nice, eh?
Hold on.
Did you chew with your back teeth, right? Well, you usually chew with your back teeth, but
You just feel awkward. Feel like everything is stuck in your teeth.
So what do they tell you have to do? That's when you're finished eating. Every time you eat, you gotta clean your teeth?
I have to clean your teeth after every meal. This is what my teeth look like right now. That's what they will look like when a boy get them sorted out. Alright, so back in action. Feel good if you can rub my tongue across my teeth. The case I might have missed some braces, but not really. Not much of a difference, right? Yeah. I have some wear and tear on my teeth though. Then some grind my teeth, so my teeth them rub them after I get them fixed.
Give it a good hit. Awesome. Congratulations.
Alright, so just take off the braces them. Remember I say? And give me a gift card. Holy pa. Money I spend with them, you know, so I'm better over $5,000. But I do a monthly installment still. After I get my teeth them clean. In a few. And them thing, you know? Yeah. Get your teeth them nice and clean. Finally lock up and gap here. So what happened is next week I'm going to pick up my retainers. So I got permanent retainers and also the temporary ones that you have to put in at night. So they give me both of those. So I pick those up next week. I'm gonna see that. I'm not gonna finish that video until I get everything right. But yeah, that man. I don't know.
Looks nice. Looks natural. Like that's how your teeth are supposed to look.
Yeah, buddy, your pal.
Looks really good.
Come here, Jammer. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Why did you lock it?
Look, 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 look.
Yeah, you have no braces. Let me show me a picture.
Bye.
What do you mean?
Yeah, see it there? Yeah. We're outside again. Feel nice though, I'm go so.
Weren't you outside before?
Feel nice, I can go so.
No, getting your tongue cut?
Yeah, feel nice. Proper brush. Kind of miss the braces still,
You're
eh?
good because some people get braces off and they have the stains of the braces on it.
Oh, no.
So they think they didn't brush your teeth properly.
No, my teeth are brushed right through it, bruh.
2 times, 3 times a day.
Clean.
Oh.
Smile is my boss first time I'll be the boss. Yeah. Look. Hey, hey.
You love daddy kisses?
Yes, sir. You look over that side of my boss.
That's a lot of shampoo. You didn't have to put so much.
Yeah, no, sorry. You hear too thick.
You're laughing with
Yeah.
daddy. You love daddy?
Yeah. First time I'll be like, come on, boss. Finally. How much month now?
7 weeks.
I'm still never beat him yet. That's
Hi,
so bad,
Jory.
right? That's so bad, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Daddy's been busy.
Silkback look like Indian boy.
And we have that one stealing soother. Great.
Yes, sir.
What are you saying to daddy? What are you trying to tell daddy? Daddy nice and gentle, more gentle than mommy. Mommy's a little wuff. Mommy has to do lots of things.
Boss. I love that, my boss.
That's crazy. I told you he has a sound now.
Mm-hmm.
Just laughing.
Laugh, man. Don't put too much in the free.
It's alright. Just rinse it out.
They say man do things weird. But guess what? I'm weird. Wash
Gotta
out the
clean out
mouth.
his nose. Jam said he wants a vehicle with a DVD player in it.
Yeah, that
I said, Jameer, nobody uses DVD player anymore. I'm like,
yes, but can I get in tablet and put it on the
that's
back
what I
seat?
said. I think you can connect it to it
Yeah.
with our hotspot.
And have Bluetooth so you can get the
Exactly,
Apple
and they have
Play.
AirPlay and CarPlay. Even though it's mostly for music, but maybe they upgraded for seeing stuff.
Yes, thick bass. Thick bass.
He's so chunky.
Can you come close? Zoom in. So you see here.
It's supposed to come out like this. Yeah. And then you swerve it. You swerve it.
Record it thing also.
I am.
Yeah,
He's
yeah, come
smiling,
like to
he
jam
loves
here. Could it? You see it?
Mm-hmm. Him and Jameer look a lot alike.
Mm-hmm.
Not so much. She's just like side-eyeing you. Like, Daddy, really?
Yes. Okay, nice. Jesus Christ, come on, boy, clean. I did that. My first time. I was almost 2 months old, right? First time I shower, yeah, no shower, but be there.
That's the first time it took you so long to beat a child. One of your children.
I don't know for something, I don't know how I'm going, but yeah.
No, you were here. You beat him before. But it wasn't by yourself fully. Yes.
I beat him.
You came in here and
No.
you were wiping him down.
I never
And you
did
said,
that.
come, Jari, come. You called all of them to come in here. You were right here.
That.
I remember.
think so still.
You did.
Clean up. Clean. Come, go with the brother them now, come.
Later.
Here we go. I got the retainers to wear for the night time. Fit perfect, very tight. Just brush my teeth. I'm good to go. So yeah, make a talk funny. Wear this in the night when you're going to sleep, right? Oil up your lip. So good to go.